Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to STEM Genius Point, 9th class mathematics series. In the last lecture, we completed our question number 3, that is HCF and LCM from a review exercise of chapter number 4. Now, the today topic is also from review exercise, and the question number 4 and 5 we solve here. Okay, dear students, now started our today lecture. Find square root by factorization and division method. Also, there is the two types of question, two methods we solve by factorization and division method, and we get the same answer. Also, the question number 5 is Huri analyzes the total cost of her loan modeled by the expression. This is the expression where x represents the number of year. What is the optimal repayment period of for Huria's loan? Okay, firstly we solve question number 4, that is factorization method and also our division method. This is the square root. Okay, first method is by factorization method. This is the factorization method. Okay, here you can see that 16 is the square of 4 and 1 is the square of 1. Okay, we completed our question 4. Also, we divide this term into half. 8 right as it is, 1 is the square. Okay, 4 multiplied by 1 4 and 4 twos are 8. This is the completing square. So we write here 4 half term of x square plus of 1 into square. As you see here, this is the formula of a plus b whole square. So we ended. Okay, firstly we solve here by square root method. So square root, taking square root. Okay, by taking square root, 4x square plus 1 square root, square and square root is cancelled, so we must write a plus minus sign. This is the answer of our question number 4 by factorization method. Okay, dear students, now we started square root by division method. Okay, here our division method. Okay, firstly we write here a term. एज यू रिमेम्बर दैट मैंने आपको ये चीज बताई थी कि आपने डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जाना है. एक्स की पावर 4 के बाद किसको आना चाहिए था? 3 को आना चाहिए था, जो कि हमारे पास नहीं है. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग कंप्लीट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे भाई? सोल्यूशन में कंप्लीट करने के लिए 16 4, देन हम प्लेस करेंगे 0x पावर 3. एक्स की पावर 3 के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? एक्स की पावर 2 वो है. एक्स की पावर 2 के बाद क्या आना चाहिए? 1, वो नहीं है. देन हम प्लेस करेंगे 0. This is the term. Firstly, we must completed with the descending order 3 4 3 2 1 and 0. Now making some factors, and the factors are, as you see that there is the 5 terms. First term is right as a single term, and the other terms are in the pair form. This is the pair of first, this is the second pair, and the 16 is a single term. Now we take square root method. 16 is the square of 4 and the half term of x की power 4. All right, we write here 3 times of this term. This is the 16x4. We added this term, we write here x square, and we subtracted this term by changing some sign. So we placed here another term. All right, and the next question is the next we solve here a 0, and here is 8x की power 2. So by 8x power square we make a term 0. How we make a term 0? So here we making some to multiply this one any term. The students, as you see here, 0 is nothing any term, so we don't consider this term, and only we take another 0 as we write it there is nothing any values or method. So here x square plus 8x square plus 1 is the only terms, only counted term, but 0 and 0 are not in counted. So we write only a 1 plus of a 1. All right, 0 right as it is. 1 8s are 8x square. 0 right as it is, as we write here. So similarly we write here in, there is nothing any order. As you see, sign is changing. 0 minus 0 something 0. There is no effect of this question. These are the cancellation terms. So here as you see there is also a sign of plus minus 4x square plus 1 is the answer of our question. Okay, now we solve last question of this part. The question is question number 5. Fourier of terms. So we write a capital of some terms is equal to x square minus 8x plus 15. Very, very simple question. Only we may some factors. 5 3s are 15, 5x, 3x and 15. As you remember that the from exercise 4.4, the question number I think 3, 4, 5 and 6 are similar types. X is common into 5, 3 is common, x minus 5. As we write here, minus 5. Okay, okay, man. Where x represented the number of year, what is the optimal repayment for the period Huriya's loan? Huriya's loan की पेमेंट की पीरियड क्या हो सकता है? तो हमने यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लिया. अब इसका हम लोग आंसर को एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. Okay, now we make by condition to find some year. X minus 3 becomes equal to 0, x minus 5 becomes equal to 0. The final answer is 3 years and other is 5 years. This is the answer of our question, and we completed our chapter number 4 completely with the review exercise. And inshallah we met again into our next chapter with some new exciting topics, and the started our inshallah chapter number 5. Remember that मुश्किल नहीं, सही रहनुमाई की ज़रूरत होती है. If you like my lectures, so like my videos and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is STEM Genius Point. Inshallah we met again in the next new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.